Hi friends, this is Parut and welcome to my channel. Today we learn to make til gajak, which is very healthy for winter seasons. For which I have taken half kg of white til, which is very easily available in the market. We have to roast the til in low medium flame. Just remember you have to wash it and dry it out before 1 to 2 days as it takes dust particles. So wash it properly, and it is going to take 2 days because til takes some time to dry it out completely. For roasting it is going to take 10 to 12 minutes. Just take a look. See the color of the til, we need this consistency. After 12 minutes it is ready now, and let it be cooled down to the room temperature. Now I am taking half kg jaggery in a pan. The ratio of til and jaggery would be the same here. Add half cup of water so that it can be easily melt. Flame is low and stir it in between. It is also going to take some time to melt properly. Just stir it. After 12 minutes or 15 minutes it would be melted. Now it is fully melted. You can see that. We have to boil it for some more time, and I'm going to tell you the method to check the jaggery syrup which is needed for our gajak. It is going to take next 3 to 4 minutes. Now it is thick. Just stir it well. Have a look. To check the consistency, we have to take a bowl of water, add some syrup, wait for 1 second, and try to make a small ball. It should be combined together. It is loose right now, so it is going to take some more time. Stir it for next 2 to 3 minutes. After 4 minutes, let's check it one more time in the same way. Take a bowl, add the paste and wait for 1 second. I think it is ready now. Let's check it out. Yes, it is ready. It becomes harder. Stir it well. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of ghee on it. It is homemade ghee. Stir it well. We are adding ghee to make soft gajak. After mix it well, we have to close the flame. Stir it one more time and add half teaspoon baking powder. Mix it very well. By adding baking powder, the syrup becomes very lighter. Just stir it very well. After that, we are going to add our roasted til on it. Mix it well. At this point, the consistency becomes hard, but we have to mix it very properly in the way I am showing you. Just mix it very properly. After that, we have to take a big plate, grease it with some ghee and spread the ready mixture in the way I am showing. Spread it. It should not be so thicker nor so thin. After that, wait for 15 minutes. Have a look. After 15 minutes, we have to take it out from the plate. It is little bit warm right now, so it is easy to remove. Just remove. It is very soft, you can check that. After that, take a jar of a mixer grinder and grind it roughly. We just don't want very fine powder. Have a look. We need this type of powder. Now I am going to take a tin of cake, or you can take any vessel. Grease it with some ghee and put a butter paper. After that, spread our powder and set it with pressure like this. Just have a look. We have to use little bit pressure here and spread it properly. Now add some dry fruits in between. Press it also. After that, I am adding another layer of til powder on it. Set it also in the same way. Press the sides also with the help of butter paper. Just have a look. Now I am adding some more dry fruits. It is totally optional. If you don't want to add, then skip this step. Press it also so that it can be set. Cover the tin with the butter paper and keep aside for half hour to set properly. Have a look after half hour. It is ready now. Cut the pieces according to your choice. I am cutting it in a square shape. Just have a look. You can cut it. You can also use knife here. You can cut in any shape according to your choice. It is easy to cut because it is soft. You can give any shape. Now remove it from the tin. and have a look. It is very tasty, yummy and soft. It is also very beneficiary to have it on winter season. Just have a look. It is very soft and tasty. Just give a try and comment me on message box. Hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and close ones, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.